Number 9. You can see the given information needs to get onto the diagram, and it's asking you to find the ratio for sine A. That's the fractional part, this part to the right of the equal sign. So I need to know what opposite and the hypotenuse is. So let's go ahead and put what we have on the diagram and go from there. AC is 5. CB is the square root of 5. AD is 4. CD is 3. And DB is 1. Now here's a right triangle, and here is the acute angle A is what we're working with. Okay, so my acute angle is here. My 90 here, so that means this side is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Okay, so sine A, this angle theta, the fraction part would be opposite over hypotenuse. I need opposite. Well, it has to be this side over here would be my opposite of this angle. So opposite over here. So sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse, which has to be 3 over 5. Okay, and then turn that into a decimal. So turn this into a decimal because it's asking you to express the answer as a decimal, round it to the nearest 10,000. So put this into the calculator, 3 divided by 5, and press Control Enter to get your decimal. Okay, finish that problem, please.